Hey everyone, welcome back to Elite Gear Hub. Today we're checking out the top 5 best fridges to transform your kitchen and keep your food fresher, longer. A great fridge is the heart of your home, and choosing the wrong one can mean wasted food and energy. I've spent weeks researching and comparing models to find the absolute best. Now, from smart features that let you peek inside from your phone to massive, flexible storage that fits everything, these picks are seriously impressive. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. EUHOMY 3.2 Mini Fridges. The EUHOMY 3.2 Mini Fridge is perfect for anyone needing extra chilled storage in a dorm, office, or bedroom without sacrificing valuable space. Featuring a spacious 3.2 cubic foot capacity, this compact refrigerator offers ample room for beverages, snacks, and meal prep essentials. Its adjustable thermostat provides precise temperature control to keep your items perfectly chilled or frozen. Made from a durable exterior and featuring a reversible door, it seamlessly fits into any layout or decor. Quiet operation ensures it won't be a distraction during work or sleep. Whether you're storing drinks for guests, preserving groceries, or organizing your skincare products, this reliable mini fridge delivers essential cooling power with efficient, user-friendly design, making it an indispensable addition to your personal space. EUHOMY 128-Can Fridges. The EUHOMY 128-Can Fridge is perfect for entertaining enthusiasts and homeowners who need reliable, high-capacity beverage storage. Featuring a powerful compressor cooling system, this unit maintains a consistent temperature range from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your drinks are perfectly chilled and ready to serve. Its spacious interior can hold up to 128 standard 12-ounce cans, while the adjustable wire shelves and removable door bins provide versatile organization for bottles and snacks. Made from durable materials with a sleek stainless steel door, it offers a premium look that complements any garage, game room, or patio setting. Quiet and energy-efficient in operation, this beverage center eliminates the need to crowd your kitchen refrigerator. EUHOMY 48-Can Fridges. The EUHOMY 48-Can Fridge is perfect for anyone needing a compact and powerful cooling solution for their home, office, or garage. Featuring advanced thermoelectric technology, this beverage cooler operates quietly and efficiently to chill your drinks without a bulky compressor. Its sleek, modern design houses a spacious interior that can hold up to 48 standard 12-ounce cans, keeping them perfectly chilled and ready to serve. Made from durable materials and equipped with a clear glass door and interior LED light, it showcases your collection while offering easy access. Whether you're hosting a party or simply enjoying a cold drink at the end of the day, this energy-efficient fridge is an essential upgrade for convenience and style. EUHOMY Mini 3.2 Fridges. The EUHOMY Mini 3.2 fridge is perfect for anyone needing extra chilled storage in a compact and versatile form. Featuring a generous 3.2 cubic foot capacity, this mini fridge offers ample space for beverages, snacks, and essentials without occupying much room. Its adjustable thermostat provides precise temperature control, ensuring your items are kept at their ideal coolness. Made from a durable exterior with a sleek design, it fits seamlessly into dorm rooms, offices, or home bars. The reversible door offers installation flexibility to suit any layout, while its quiet operation guarantees it won't be a disturbance. Whether you're a student, professional, or host, the EUHOMY Mini 3.2 fridge delivers reliable cooling performance and essential convenience wherever you need it most. RCA Fridges. The RCA refrigerator is perfect for households seeking reliable, efficient cooling in a stylish and functional design. Featuring advanced temperature management systems, it ensures your groceries stay fresher longer by maintaining consistent climates in both the fridge and freezer sections. Made from durable materials with thoughtfully organized interiors, it offers ample storage space with adjustable shelves and dedicated compartments for produce, meats, and dairy. Its energy-efficient operation helps reduce electricity costs while providing powerful, quiet performance for everyday use. Whether you need a spacious family-sized model or a compact unit for smaller spaces, the RCA fridge combines trusted brand durability with modern convenience, making it an essential and smart investment for any kitchen.